so my name is Chia-Ling, and I work as sales development representative in the sales department. And I am mainly in charge in the China and Taiwan market. So I started as an intern in Seabery, and I have been now for 1 year and a half, almost 1 year and a half. So I'm in charge in selling automatic in China and Taiwan area. And so mainly what I do is calling the partners and managing the partners we have there and trying to do the marketing activity in China as well. We also arrange some activity, roadshow, exhibition with the partner in China. So it's a really innovative company. So if you like advanced technology, I would say it's really good for you to be here because you can see really advanced technology here. And also it's also a really international company. We have people from all over the world and everyone speaks English. So it's really nice for me staying here and I'm able to communicate with people from all over the world and grow together.